Estoy en esta escalinata en la Monja, San Juan o San Juan, Puerto Rico, testing the stability of the GoPro 8. I'm filming at 4K 60 with hyper-lapse on. I'm walking normally, and as you can see, there's stairs here. And I'm holding the GoPro on a Insta360 X invisible stick or selfie stick, whatever they call it. And I'm walking down the steps, again testing the GoPro 8 stabilization with the hyper-lapse on. Plus, on top of that, I have a ND filter on the GoPro to test whether or not light has any effect on the hyper-lapse mode. Because I've read that low light prevents it or diminishes the amount of hyper-lapse. So I think this ND filter should prove whether or not that's true or not. And again, this is going down the stairs, so it's a little more difficult than the previous stairs.